Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We thought we would try something different on the channel, so we're bringing you a motorcycle detail for the first time. If you enjoy this type of content, do us a favor and subscribe to the channel because we're doing a huge giveaway for you guys, which is sponsored by our friend Mad Detailing. And also leave a like on this video. If we can get 2,000 likes, we'll do another motorcycle detail in the future on some really cool Harleys that we found. Anyways, what we have here is a 1979 Honda CB750 10th year anniversary edition that was kept in a wood shop for a while until the owner had it brought back to their home garage and stored it. The owner told us it's been sitting for about a year now and he wants to get it detailed so he can cover it up and bust it out next spring. And lastly, I want to give a quick shout out to RJ because when we filmed this video, I actually had strep throat, so I wasn't able to help him on this. He did this completely by himself. So leave him a nice comment below, tell him he did a good job because this bike turned out amazing. Starting out the detail, we went ahead and used a leaf blower to get as much of the initial wood shavings and dirt off as possible. And I should mention, a lot of it came off pretty easy because the owner told us that it had been sitting in his wood shop uncovered and it collected shavings that would fly in the air for the better part of a year. And I'm not going to do too much voiceovers in this video because I wanted to give you guys a lot of the original detailing sounds, so I hope you enjoy. So you guys know we have to do a question of the video. Leave your answers in the comments down below. For those of you who like motorcycles, what is your favorite type of motorcycle? Or if you own one, what do you own? I want to give a quick shout out to my dad. He has a Harley Softail Deluxe. I'll show it right here. Sick bike. And also a quick shout out to John Yule. You know why.
highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same. Highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game. Highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same. Highs and lows, highs and lows. Highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same. Highs and lows, highs and lows.
So if you look closely, the primer or the base coat underneath the clear coat was pretty damaged and cracked, and that's why there's still some scratches left after the polishing stage. Either way, the owner was super happy with the outcome, and we were happy with how it turned out as well. To take care of the leather, we used a horsehair brush attachment on the nano buffer with Lexol cleaner, as we didn't want to use anything too aggressive, but the leather was pretty dry, so doing this helps get that cleaner into the pores, so when we condition it, it really soaks up a lot of that conditioner and becomes soft and protected again.
All right, guys, just finished up the detail. I'd say for a 40-year-old bike, it turned out really well. And I think the owner's gonna be really, really happy when he sees it. But aside from that, thank you all for watching. The support means the world to us. And hit the like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.